Hello everyone. Here is the last question asked by Samraj. There were 3 questions, question number 10, 12 and 14b. So obviously I'm going to be solving whole of the question here. So let's get started. We are discussing mock set 4 paper 2022, mock set 4 2022, Edexcel A-level pure paper 2. Let's get started. So the first thing is very easy peasy. What we have to find out is just dy by dx. So it's, I guess, u over v. So quotient rule, it's going to be v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared, right? If you see the trend, you definitely are going to be getting product rule, quotient rule, definitely. So I will suggest you to go through and make it stronger. Okay, so let's start. I will be taking the question down. So y is, let me just quickly write down, y is equal to e to the power 2x over x cubed plus 4. Is it correct? E to the power 2x over x cubed plus 4. Okay, so dy by dx will be, we need to be very patient and easily doing. So we're going to be copying x cubed plus 4, and if we differentiate that would give us 2e to the power 2x minus, we're going to be copying e to the power 2x as it is, and if we differentiate the bottom one, we're going to be getting 3x squared over x cubed plus 4 squared. Can we simplify it more? Let's see. Yes, probably, because e to the power 2x, we can take this thing common. Then we're going to be getting e to the power 2x, taking it common out. So we're going to be getting x cubed plus 4 with this 2. So can we multiply it again? Multiply with that. 2x cubed plus 8 minus 3x squared over x cubed plus 4 squared. Yes, we can't simplify it more than that because we have different variables with different powers. Let's check the answer. Okay, they are keeping it as it is. That's fine. Yeah, we can leave it as it is because no further simplification is there, no? Okay, never mind. So any of the way is correct. Now we have the other part. The point P with x coordinate lowercase p lies on the curve. The line L is tangent to C at P. So we have a curve and line L is tangent to C at P. Okay, that is fine. Now given that L passes through origin, okay, this is good information given to us. L passes through origin. So overall, if you're going to be utilizing this somewhere, show that x equals p is the solution of the equation. Okay, and what we know that the point P with coordinate x is p, x equals p, lies on C, and L is the tangent to C at P. L is tangent to C at P. At P we have a tangent. So let's try finding out the, we have dy by dx. Dy by dx we found out. Now we have to find out, because what we know, before I write this, I am going to be writing the part. L is tangent to C at P. This is what we know, right? L is tangent to C at P. So from here, if we say, let's find out dy by dx when x is P. So that would give us just, substituting P over there. So it would be e to the power 2P cubed plus 8 minus 3P squared over P cubed plus 4 squared. This is your gradient. What else do we know? We know that it passes through origin and x is p there. So because it's a tangent, the equation of the tangent is, let me write the equation of tangent. Equation of the tangent is going to be y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So m is, this big thing is actually m here. X1 is, we know that is p. Y1 we don't know, but we know y the question. So what we have to do, if we substitute p here, the value of x to be p, if we substitute it there, we're going to be getting the value of y. So let's take this, and now we are going to be solving for y. So if we substitute x equals p, we're going to be getting e to the power 2p over p cubed plus 4. Correct? So I think we have, and this is going to be your y1. We have y1, x1, m, everything. Let's substitute. So y minus e to the power 2p over p cubed plus 4 equals that, you know, the big gradient we have to take. It's easier for me, but for you it would be like time consuming, kind of, not a lot. Okay, so this is what the gradient is, and now we are going to be taking x minus p. Correct? It passes through origin. The tangent passes through the origin. Now what we're going to be using, what we're going to be doing with this information, it means x, y is nothing but 0, 0. So we are going to be substituting 0, 0 over here. Let's substitute. If we substitute 0, 0, so overall I'm going to copy the same thing, and what would we get? We will get, let me place it here. So we're going to be getting this one removed and this one removed. It would be something like this. Oh, the bracket thing is removed. That should not be removed. Okay, so this is what we have got. Now what we need to do, just simplify it a bit more. So if we simplify it a bit more, we're going to be getting, can we just multiply by p cubed, because we have to make the denominator same. So to make the denominator same, you are going to be multiplying by, times it by p cubed plus 4. So it would be minus e to the power 2p p cubed plus 4 over p cubed plus 4, and already we have 1 p cubed plus 4, so that would be squared. That is equal to e to the power 2p, we have a bracket thing, 2p cubed plus 8 minus 3p squared, and outside we have minus p. At the bottom we have p cubed plus 4 squared. So this would be cancelled, same. Now we will be left with a negative e to the power 2p p cubed plus 4, that equals 2 e to the power 2p, in brackets we have 2p cubed plus 8 minus 3p squared, the other bracket minus p. Okay, so if we divide the equation by e to the power 2p, we're gonna be getting like these two cancelled. We will be left with p cubed plus a negative p cubed. Remember, a negative p cubed plus 4, that is going to be equal to a negative p, 2p cubed plus 8 minus 3p squared. Okay, so here we can again multiply or divide by negative, so it's going to be p cubed plus 4 that would be p 2p cubed plus 8 minus 3p squared. That would give us what? P cubed plus 4 2p to the power 4 plus 8p minus 3p cubed. If you move things around, it was p cubed. So we're going to be getting 2p raised to the power 4 minus 3p cubed and p cubed. If you move it there, we're going to be getting minus 4p cubed plus 8p minus 4 equals 0. Okay, let's go there, a longer one. So let me take the screenshot. It should be matching. Okay, let's see. It is saying, oh, can we divide by 2? If we divide by 2, we're going to be getting p to the power 4 minus 2p cubed plus 4p minus 2 equals 0. So if you see this equation and that equation, doesn't it look like we just have substituted the value of x to be p? So if it is turning up to be like this, that means p is the solution. It is exactly turning up, no? X to the power 4, p to the power 4, minus, plus, minus. Yeah, it is exactly turning up like this. So yes, we can say, yes, p is the solution of the equation. Makes sense? Now, let me take next part of the question down there. We still have 4 marks with us. I mean, for us to do. Let's see. So for C part, what we need to do, hope you're understanding these things. So iteration formula, what is given to us, x to the power n plus 1 is equal to 2x to the power n cubed plus 2 over x, I mean, did I say x to the power n? Just forget it, I'm taking it back. It is xn cubed plus 4. Okay, this cube is hiding. Xn cubed. Okay, so x1 is 0.5. We have to find out x2. So x2 will be, when n is 1, we're going to be getting x2 here. That would give us 2x1 cubed plus 2 over x1 cubed plus 4. Right. So let's substitute the value. 2 x1 is nothing but 0.5. Mr. Calculator, be ready. Plus 2 over 0.5 cubed plus 4. Just try not to be copying or missing anything and solving it correctly. Let me just check all positive, cubed. Yeah, that is okay. Now I'm using my calculator. X cubed, x2, I'm getting 0.54554 decimal places, right? So we have got this 0.5455. Hope you got the same. Okay, for II part, CIIP, that is very difficult. I don't know. For this one, you need to help me. And because D part is actually needing the value of P until we wouldn't be able to do that. So you definitely need to help me how to find CII and D, right? So I'm sure you want deny to help me, correct? So let's see how many of you are answering me, and if not, then obviously I'll see how can I do that. It is x squared, if that makes sense, no? Sorry, v squared, if that makes sense. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.